and his pattern are different. Who's correct?
Oh, Young Grady just finished second, and Andre Nunez from K-pop Demon Hunters is third. That's 3 musicians in a row.
Oh, listen to Green.
South Volcano is fourth. Diplo is done. There's only 1 spot left. If you lose this game, you are out of the competition.
We need 6. We're going till we have 6. Boom.
And that's it. Howie Mandel is our final finisher. The game is now over. Take your hands off your blocks.
If your star is green, you're moving on. Congratulations to the 6 of you with the green star. You recreated the pattern first.
Thank God.
Everyone else, I'm sorry.
Yay!
No.
I missed the green one.
Maybe you should have done the strong game.
No, Tiffany.
All 5 of you have now been eliminated.
What Dwight did, he recorded it.
I'm gonna use my camera to record everything. I did. I recorded on my camera and it was too small.
Still got it